Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Fitbit with your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect your devices and start tracking your fitness activities. Step 1. Download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store and install it on your iPhone. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit to create an account, or log in if you already have one. Step 3. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner and select Set up a device. Step 4. Choose your Fitbit device from the list of available models. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare your Fitbit for pairing. Ensure it is charged and nearby. Step 6. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Bluetooth, and toggling it on. Step 7. The Fitbit app will search for your device. When it appears, tap on it to begin pairing. Step 8. Enter the 4-digit code displayed on your Fitbit device into the app to complete the connection. Your Fitbit is now paired with your iPhone and ready to track your activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.